Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to update Intel graphics driver in Windows 10, 8, 7. Right-click Start button. Click Device Manager. Click Display Adapter. Right-click Intel HD Graphics. Click Properties. Click Driver. Click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. The second method is open any web browser. Search Intel graphics driver. Click Download for graphics drivers. Click Support Home. Click Intel Driver and Support Assistant. Click Download now. Displays no software updates are available. Third method is select desktop boards. Select Intel desktop boards with Intel Express chipset. My board is Intel H61 Express chipset. Then select board model number. Then select download type, BIOS, or drivers or software applications. Then select the operating system. I am selecting Windows 7, 64-bit. Download the Intel graphics driver. Click to accept the license agreement. Intel HD graphics driver is downloading. After download you can install and update graphics driver. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.